Good morning, children. Welcome back to our political science class. Today, we are going to discuss the new chapter in politics, that is political parties. At the end of today's class, you will be able to learn about what is political party and the meaning of political party, components of political parties, and types of party systems in the world. Children, do you know what is a political party? Before that, I just want to tell you a small introduction about this. If you go to the remote places of the country and you ask the people, those who are most ordinary citizens or those who are less educated or illiterates, you speak about the constitution. They don't know anything about constitution and they don't know about the nature of our government also. What do they know? They know only political parties. They say that party is good, this party is good, that party is ours only, this party is not ours, like that they say. So they have idea about the political parties. So for a mere common man, political parties are equal for the democracy. So democracy is equal to the political parties for them. Now let's see the meaning of the political parties. A political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and to hold power in the government. These people, they form a group and they come together for what purpose? To hold the power. How they'll hold the power? If they contest and win in the elections, then they hold the power and they form the government. So that is called political parties. They'll be having a common agenda. Do you understand, children? And these political parties, they agree on some policies and programs. They come to the people with some policies and some programs. Here, see, the man is saying that we are lower, backward class people, so we have to fight for our rights. And with that agenda, they come to the people and they educate them and they promote their party. So then the people of that region, so they trust them and they vote them. So okay, so it is also good for the society and for the country. So it's called a collective good. Do you understand, children? These political parties come to acquire power through democratic means. It means through elections. And they put national interest first before party's interest. The political parties are necessary to represent the people of the country. These political parties, the contestants, they contest in the elections and help in organized function of the legislature. Politics would not be structured and would get degraded into gangs, secret factions in the absence of political parties. So if there are no political parties, it leads to factions or gangs. That's why these politics should be structured with the political parties. This also can cause anarchy and unrest among the people. People, they don't trust on the country's administration. So it leads to confusion. So thus, political parties play an important role in power sharing. Political parties are usually well organized and their memberships can run into millions. It means the party members, they'll be in millions in number. They reflect the political divisions of the society. Since any party represents the part of the society, it involves partisanship. Do you know what is a partisanship? It means, for example, if you are being in any political party, you will be on that side only. You will be neglect the original issue. For example, though the party has done the good or bad, you say that your party is right and the other person is wrong. That's called partisanship. You strongly believe your own party and the party leaders. That's all. Political parties also educate their people through their discussions and debates inside the parliament. A political party has three components, children. They are the leaders, the active members, and the keen followers. Children, did you know that in USA the members and supporters of the party chose their candidate? On the other hand, in India, top party leaders, it means BJP party leaders or Congress party leaders, chose their candidates. Okay, so political parties have a series of functions they need to perform. They have certain functions and they have to perform their duties. All political parties put forward different policies and programs which the voters can choose from. They throw different policies, children, to attract the voters for election. Do you understand? And each voter has a different opinion and views about what is best for the society. A political party streamlines a number of opinions and views into a basic ideological position. So, this helps it to create its policies that align with its position, children. So, political parties also play an important role in making laws for the country. So, though the laws are debated and discussed and passed by our legislature, the members of the party put the decisions of the party leadership first than their personal opinions. Okay? So, parties recruit leaders, train them, and make them ministers to run the government. The party which is formed after getting a majority is known as ruling party, which you know very well, right? So meanwhile, the party who lose in the elections also play an important role by acting as an opposition party to the ruling party or to the party in power. The opposition voices different views and criticizes the incorrect policies and failures of the ruling party. So the opposition makes use of its activists, pressure groups to highlight the problem and the issues of the common people. So since parties provide people easy access to the government schemes and welfare programs, therefore people find it easier to access a local political leader rather than a government officer. So political parties are necessary in a democracy as they unite like-minded people from diverse backgrounds. The need for political parties has a vision with the emergence of representative democracies. So, they form a two-way link between the government and the people and bring them close to each other. So, any group of people are free to come together as a political party to contest elections and hold power in the government. There are three major types of political party systems in use in various countries, children. That is, they are monoparty system. Monoparty system is a one-party rule practiced in China. A biparty system or two-party system is practiced in the United States, United Kingdoms, and the United States of America. And the last one, the multi-party system, which is practiced in India. So that's all for today, children. Thank you. Stay tuned.